Hello friends, today we will talk on technical writing, the importance of technical writing in our life. Technical writing is an integral part of technical communication and research paper writing, seminar and conference paper writing, article writing, writing keynotes, speech, expert technical lecture, technical document in specific fields such as computers, machines, aeronautics, electronics, robotics, finance, and marketing etc. are all forms of technical writing. So, technical writing encompasses the target subfield in technical communication. You can see here my PPT related to technical writing. First, we must know what is the definition of technical writing. Technical writing is a type of writing where the author is writing about a particular subject that requires direction, instruction, or explanation. This style of writing has a very different purpose and different characteristics than other writing styles, such as creative writing, academic writing, or business writing. Technical writing, we can say, is writing or drafting technical communication used in technical or occupational fields. When someone becomes a part of an organization, one needs to communicate effectively, and sometimes words are open to numerous interpretations, and to keep the sanity of the message and avoid miscommunication, the writing should follow some characteristics and some different forms from other types of writing. So next we will talk on the uses for technical writing. Technical writing is straightforward, easy to understand explanations and or instructions dealing with a particular subject. It is an efficient and clear way of explaining something and how it works. The subject of technical writing can be either tangible, something that can be seen or touched, such as a computer or software program, or information on how to assemble a piece of furniture. Second, it can be abstract, something that involves a series of steps that are not related to a tangible object. One example of this might be steps required to complete an office process. Some examples of technical writings include instruction manuals, policy manuals, process manuals, user manuals, reports of analysis, instructions for assembling a product, a summarization of a long report that highlights and shortens the most important elements. Some other examples are manuals, reports, newsletters, memos, etc. So here are some tips for good technical writing. Regardless of the type of document which is written, technical writing requires the writer to follow the properties of knowing their audience, writing in a clear, non-personal style, and doing extensive research on the topic. By including these properties, the writer can create clear instructions and explanations for the reader. Here are some more tips. The first one is know your audience. An expert in the field will understand certain abbreviations, acronyms, and lingo that directly applies to such a field. The novice will not understand in the same manner, and therefore every detail must be explained and spelled out for them. Second one is use an impersonal style. Write from a third person perspective, like a teacher instructing a student. Any opinions should be omitted. Third one, the writing should be straightforward, as we talked earlier, to the point, and as simple as possible to make sure the reader understands the process or instruction. This at times may appear as simply a list of steps to take to achieve the desired goal, or maybe a short or lengthy explanation of a concept or abstract idea. Fourth one, know how to research, gather information from a number of sources. Understand the information gathered so that it can be analyzed thoroughly, and then put the information into an essay to understand format to instruct those who read it. The more inexperienced your audience, the more information you will need to gather and explain. Fifth one, be thorough in description and provide enough detail to make your points, but you also have to consider that you need to use an economy of words so that you do not bore your reader with gratuitous details. Sixth one, a good technical writer can make a difficult task easy and can quickly explain a complex piece of information. So, keeping in view all these details, anyone can write a good technical document. So, thank you. Next, we will discuss on the next topic.